My name is Raul Ronquillo. I'm the project manager over the Interconnects on the Ruby Pipeline project. The Ruby Pipeline project has 7 different construction spreads. We're currently on spread 1A. Contractor is U.S. Pipeline. In the background you can see we had just passed the pipe game for the project. Talking to the inspector, they inform us that we're making about a little bit over a mile of progress in welding per day. We have 4 different contractors for pipeline construction. Then we have 2 contractors constructing our 4 compressor stations on the project. 2 different contractors constructing our metering stations. At the peak of the project, we expect to employ a total of 5,000 employees, or approximately 5,000 employees, between construction, inspection, and El Paso operation folks. Ruby Pipeline has been in the works for a few years now. The latest version of the Ruby Pipeline project has been in permitting since 2008. Received our FERC certificate in April of this year, and have been slowly receiving notice to proceed and making progress along the project. So it's been a few years in the making, and now it's finally happening.